everyone, welcome back to Natural A2. This is another Nat Tuesday. This week I want to talk about African threading. I've had a few people ask me about my previous videos on African threading and they want to know how do I do my hair. One, I do African threading as a protective style and I use yarn. That is the main thing that I use, and I will tell you soon why I use yarn. And two, when I thread, I keep my ends loose because you know your ends are the deadest part of your hair, and that's the part that needs the most moisturizing and oils, butters, or whatever. So if you are interested in my video, please subscribe. Please hit the like button if you like this video at the end, and hit the notification bell for every video that I post. I try to post on Tuesdays, so you know, if you want to see me on Tuesday, just go ahead and hit that notification bell. All right, with that being said, I do have African threading in my hair, and I want you guys to take a quick look at it. This is the second week with threading in my hair. I wash once a week. I just washed 2 days ago, and basically my hair was threaded when I washed it. So my style of what I'm planning on doing for the next 90 days is basically caring for my hair the way people with dreadlocks care for their hair. You notice people with dreads, their hairs just grow, they get enormous lengths, although their hair is locked. The benefit of protective styling with African threading is that can be avoided. You don't have the locks. So the next 90 days, I'm going to show you guys how I do my hair with threading, and I'm not going to manipulate it really at all. It's just going to be wash it with the threads, condition it, take the threads out that's been washed, rethread it, and pretty much go. So I want y'all to take a quick look at my hair, and I want you guys to see my ends because I don't cover my ends. So I want y'all to take a quick look at my ends. Here's a perfect one right here. So if you see this is my ends. I do not cover my ends because my ends are the deadest part of my hair, and I need these ends loose. They're nice and curly so I can put conditioner on it. So yep, that's it. I want you guys to take a quick look. There it is. All right, so yeah, I use African threading as a means of protective styling, and I do keep my ends uncovered for the sake of the ends are the oldest part of the hair, and it's so important to make sure your ends are moisturized. Now, like I said, over the next few weeks, I'm going to show you, I have plenty of natural DIY products like my spritz, my conditioners, and different things that I'm going to be using on my hair. So if you guys really want to see what I do to my hair over the next few weeks without no manipulation, I'm just basically caring for it as if they're dreads, and we're going to see after the 90 days how long my hair get. Now I'm going to measure my hair to for you guys just to take a quick look so you can see what the measurement is now, and then what the measurement's going to be 90 days later. Now, if this proved to cause me to have more length, significant amount of length after 90 days, I might do it another 90 days, which is a total of 6 months. So we will see. We will see. So yeah, this is my little style I am going to do. And if you want to join me, please feel free to do so. I believe African threading is a really great way to keep your hair loose, keep your hair out. And like I say, the benefits of it compared to dreading hair is that you can always take those threads out and you can style your hair. You can wear it curly, you can straighten it, you can twist it. Of course, with dreads, you can't do that because the dreads are locked. But there are benefits to dreads too. I mean, once they lock, they continue to grow, your hair gets longer and longer, you know, so there's benefits on both spectrums. But I want to do a new style of African threading dread care. pretty much it's just African threading, doing some dread care on it. So stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen, for all you guys are out there. I do apologize for the lighting because the sun sometimes comes up and it goes down. So some segments of the video you might see it brighter than normal. That's okay. It's just because the sun is out. This video is not going to be very long this week, but I want y'all to please subscribe if you're interested, and I'll see you guys next week. So until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Peace and God bless you. Many blessings as always to you all, and I love you very dearly. Take care and God bless. Mwah.